Hi guys, how are you? I think you are doing well. So in this video I am going to show you how can you start earning money from your Facebook by making your Facebook profile into your professional Facebook profile. So before starting the video, I ask you for something. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. You know that Facebook updated a new feature that's everyone can earn money from Facebook. If you make videos, then you can earn money from Facebook by making your Facebook profile into a professional Facebook profile. So for doing that, you have to open your main Facebook app. You can see here I am open my main Facebook, and from here you can see here three dot line. You have to click here three dot line, and then you have to go into your profile, and then you can see here from this profile I cannot earn money, but if I make its professional profile, then I can earn money. So I will show how can you earn money. So for doing that, you have to click here three dot line, and then you can see here option turn on professional mode. You have to click here turn on professional mode, and then you have to click here turn on. Then you can see here there your Facebook profile become a Facebook professional profile. You can see here profile digital creator. You can see here your profile become a professional profile. So here how can you now earn? So for earning you have to start uploading video, and that's how you will reach more people when your profile will be a professional profile. But when your profile is general profile, that's time you cannot reach more people without your friends. So you have to, if you want to earn money, then you have to make your profile into a professional profile. So this is today's video. If you have any inquiry related to the video, you can ask me in my comment box, and also I provide my Facebook link in description box. You can connect with me in my Facebook. Thank you so much.